Thousands of Onitsha people assembled at the palace grounds of the View of Onitsha to witness the first Ofala festival of His Highness Ofala Okagbue I. The government of the Midwestern state, well known for its deep and abiding respect for natural rulers, has sent a delegation of 41 chiefs to honor this special traditional occasion. Various organizations, including the Hausa community in Onitsha, also attended. Chief C.O. Nebe, the Ichie of Oka, and other chiefs from neighboring towns and villages arrived in time to watch the cultural pageantry. The administrator of the East Central State, Mr. Fabi Ateka, and Mrs. Chinyere Ateka, and many eminent personalities from Onitsha town and other parts of the East Central State had also come to witness the first Ofala festival of the new Obi of Onitsha. Richly adorned in the customary ceremonial robes, attended by his retinue of music makers, one of the first-rank traditional chiefs arrived in grand style. Then, one by one, the other first-rank traditional chiefs followed. The Ogene of Onitsha, Chief Mokedi, down to Eguata, the royal drums played to announce the arrival of the Ofala festival of the 6th first-rank 12 caste chiefs of Onitsha. The Odu of Onitsha, Chief Mbaneso, the Indi cheers, our first-rank red caste chiefs then assembled. They danced to the Eguata until the sound of the royal cannon heralded the imminent appearance of the Obi. The story of Ofala in Onitsha is as ancient as the institution of the bishop itself. The festival, performed early in October of each year, starts with the ceremony of Inye Ukunanlo, involving 4 days and 4 nights of complete retreat, a period of deep devotion, meditation and purification for the Obi. Then follow the crowning days of merriment, of pageantry and of general celebration, when the Indi chiefs and all the citizens of Onitsha head for the inland town, congregating at the royal grounds for the Grand Ofala, the one great festival that ushers in another, the Awuwaji or the New Yam Festival. Dressed in his full royal regalia and attended by his special retinue, it is usual for the Obi to make 3 public appearances in order to inspect his subjects and to acknowledge the homage and greetings of his people. Following his first appearance, the Obi retires on outer throne. Then, all the Indi chiefs, dressed in gorgeous ceremonial robes, their heads adorned with crowns of brass and rich ostrich plumes, down to the throbbing beat of big water and advance in descending order of rank to pay homage to the king. Appearance, the Obi parades as far as the center of the arena, followed by the Indi chiefs, who continue to chant traditional tunes. Later, he returns to his throne to receive the homage of visiting delegates, members of the Abalance Society, and other important members of the community. Towards the end of the first day, the Obi makes his third and final appearance before retiring into an inner throne where he receives the homage of his relatives. But this is usually not the end of the Ofala festival, for on the second day, the Ofala